So hello guys, this is data mining that just started earlier, and I want you guys to follow me step by step as I register this data mining. It's just like another pie. It's a good app that is mining. It's using internet, of which all internet projects they are okay. So this is a data mining. It's just like Pi. When you start on time, you're able to earn a lot of points. Like Pi, those that start 6 years to now they have gathered a lot of Pi. And when you say in $1 or $2, you know how much you'll be able to earn. So this is the reason why I'm introducing this to you now to start mining. So you are going to follow me step by step as I do this simple step. So what I will do now, the first one is for you to choose the country. I just want to pop out to any. As you can see, the gallery, the lineup there, which is Nigeria. After choosing Nigeria, I'm going to put a phone number that has a WhatsApp. I have to click on it. So when I click on it, I will put the ID. This is the ID, the referral ID. I have to put it. Then I put my nickname, which is let me show you the process so that once you input the referral code, you come to this angle. Then you say SMS verification. So once you come to this SMS verification, you now click get in, get it. So I'm going to show you from this angle down now. So in Nigeria, if you are going to use this particular number, you are going to pay money. So we have to switch it to global. We switch it to global. So in this global, we can choose whether telecoms or Airtels. Then I have to put it in Britain. I have to put in the Britain. And you can see, let's say continue next now. We'll click on next. Let's click on next. So I said if you have a WhatsApp, you can also choose this to has it or SMS, but particularly this my number doesn't have a WhatsApp. So in case of this place now, if you have a WhatsApp, you just click on this WhatsApp icon. You click on it. But if you don't have WhatsApp, you come over to this SMS and click on it. You can see this arrow that look like Telegram's symbol. Just click on it. Now I don't have this phone number as a WhatsApp. I have to click on it so that it will send SMS. So you click on it now. Let's see if this one is going to be okay. Let's say open with WhatsApp and see SMS. Look at it. I have to send now. I have to put it this way. Let me just copy it and see. Let's copy it and see. It's just a little word. It's tricky somehow, but you'll be able to do it if you follow it step by step. So thank you very much. There is a video I'm going to do on how you're able to create your two-factor verification. I'll also be launching that two-factor verification for it. Now, please, if you don't understand, I'm going to take it step by step again with another phone.